DJT stock analysis Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump Media stock, or Trump Media and Technology stock, has been sitting at $30.25, 1.7% down for the day. Where are we heading next? Quite simply, I am very open. I'm actually like, I have my finger on the trigger for buying here, but obviously I will not pull it unless the rules are met, and it's actually just around that time period. Obviously, we're gonna wait, but all I'm sticking to is also a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions and have documented everything. With DJT, all I really need to see to jump in is a second break with second full candle close above 33.66. If I see that, then and only then that's something I'll buy. If I don't see that, then obviously like it's all noise and anything, right? So that's how DJT looks like. Other than that, if you want to learn the strategy for free, just click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.